I've always loved space. So when I heard about Mission Space, the idea that you're going to get to feel like you're blasting off sounded amazing to me, and I was excited. The only thing I was not excited about was the fact that they had to remove Horizons to do it. And that's one of the things that is always really, as much as I love Disney, it disappoints me all the time. I have no problem. Please bring me new attractions. Show me your new technology. Disney is amazing at technology, but stop removing attractions to do it. You don't have to remove attractions. You literally own 47 square miles of the state of Florida. Stop taking away our beloved attractions. Just add one. That's crazy talk. Add something without removing something. Then you have more attractions, less bottleneck, less crowd control problems. I don't understand that line of thinking. But anyway, they removed the absolutely amazing Horizons. So one of the best attractions of all time at Disney World, really anywhere. That ride was absolutely amazing. And think about it, there's that little window between something becoming outdated and something becoming nostalgic. And unfortunately, Horizons was in that window, and it was destroyed before it became nostalgic. I thank goodness they did not do that to Carousel of Progress, because Carousel of Progress has been on the chopping block many times. Yep. And for one reason or another, someone said, no, we're going to save it. And thank goodness they did, because now it's no longer outdated, although they could tweak the last scene. Mm-hmm. But it's no longer outdated. Now it's nostalgic, and people go on it because Walt touched this. And they really could have done that with Horizons. If it had just lasted a little bit longer and they had just plopped Mission Space somewhere else in Epcot, I think that they could have saved something that was special.
But Horizons was one of those massive animatronic things like World of Motion you were talking about.
Absolutely.
So that's probably another thinking behind it, the cost that it must have been to have to keep running that.
It was, and nobody does a dark ride like Disney, and it was one of those dark ride omni movers. I'm not going to get into Horizons because mm-hmm. I know for a fact we're going to do an episode on Horizons at some point. But that is really my main complaint about Mission Space. If they had to put it somewhere else, I would not be disgruntled about Mission Space at all, because it's an amazing ride, and being on it and feeling those G's and the experience is like nothing else that you can get on really anywhere, unless you're an astronaut candidate for real.
Listen to the complete show on your favorite podcast streamer. Follow us on social media at wdwreflectionspodcast. See you real soon.